Welcome! In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. So restarting could be useful if for some reason something is not working on your watch properly, or the watch is a bit laggy or unresponsive. You could try to restart it and hopefully that will fix your problem. And to restart the watch, we need to press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press and hold the crown button, and once the power menu appears on the screen, you will see power off and restart icon. Tap on the restart icon and then wait. And after some time, at least few seconds, the watch will reboot and boot into a system. And that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.